This morning I'll just teach you how to swap and bridge in asset chain. So I'll go to my OKX wallet. So as you can see, I have $3 in BNB chain and I want to move it to asset chain. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my browser now. Yes. Then I've used the bridge once, but you can go to their Twitter handle of asset chain. You see the bridge link there. So when I touch the bridge link, to bring me to their website. So if you click the bridge link, it will bring you here. So you select the chain you want to bridge from. I want to bridge from BNB. Yeah, USD. I can see my USD there. I want to bridge to asset chain. So put amount 3.2120. Then you now press the bridge. Switch to switch automatically approve. So awaiting. You put only max and confirm fingerprints, yes. So you wait, transfer from Binance matching, yes, you wait. It doesn't take time, very fast. Confirm, yeah, you put your pin and pass. You wait, give it few minutes, yes. I don't want to claim later, I want to claim now. So you click on claim now, yeah, you switch to asset chain, claim now, and you wait a little bit, you confirm, and you are done. You have your money now in asset chain. So once you're done, you just come here and go to swap. My swap now, my wallet is already connected. So I want to buy um Zen Finance token. Yeah, Zen Finance, that exchange has a token. If you don't know it today. So I'm gonna use my entire USDT. Yeah, entire USDT. I'm gonna buy. So I'm coming. So I'm gonna swap. Yup, box. Yes, I consider. You wait for it to swap. Consider. And then for you that want to farm the airdrop like me, you just come here, you go to liquidity mining. So yeah, you go to liquidity pool, sorry. And then once you connect, you go to add position. If you want to add liquidity, so you select the pair you want to add. So me, the pair I want to add is Shalom, uh, Shalom reward asset. So yes, so I'm going to continue to Shalom Max. So I'm gonna wait for it. You do full reach, press box. So it's not gonna work. So as you can see now, with what I have, I can only add liquidity with 31,000 shalom. So I'll add liquidity, confirm. So max, you go back first and say, yeah, you press max here, add liquidity, confirm. You continue, confirm, and you dodge. You wait for it, and so as you can see, successful. You have minted your position. So currently there's an airdrop going on the chain. So you see my points. So I've added liquidity. Yes. So I'm going to earn fees, and as I'm earning fees, I'm also earning points in airdrop. So you can also see that is killing two birds with one stone. So as you can see, this is my airdrop points I've been earning, even though I've not been swapping, just been staking. So the points are growing. This is my rank. So you can also choose to farm the airdrop if you have money. But if you don't have, you can just take and wait. So if you have any question about asset chain, you can drop it on the comment section. Like and retweet, share it with somebody that is trying to breach his funds, or trying to buy Shalom, or trying to buy Zen Finance token to position for the bull run and for the up run and for the future.